invite you to make these beautiful wedding invitations with me. I'll walk you through the step-by-step process using your cutting machine. Today, I'll be working with my Cricut and Cricut Design Space. First, I upload the file named Score Lines because I'll be using the scoring stylus. Then, I change the fold lines from cut to score. To do that, I select all the lines by holding Shift and clicking on each one. In the Operation menu, I choose Score. Now it's time to ungroup. I select each layer along with its score line and click Attach. Repeat this 3 times for both belly band pieces and the main card holder. Let's personalize the design by adding 2 letters to create a monogram. I use the text tool and pick my favorite system font. I arrange the letters the way I like, then apply an offset of 0.02. I delete the original letters and keep only the offset. I adjust the monogram to fit perfectly in the design, as shown in the video. Here's a preview of how the finished card will look. Let's move on to cutting. Click Make It to start. Once the mats are ready, click Continue. I'm using the cardstock for intricate cut setting with a scoring stylus. First, I cut 80 pounds metallic cardstock. Then, metallic vinyl. And finally, the main Gatefold card. I recommend 80 pounds cardstock, a strong grip mat, and a sharp blade. Now it's time to assemble. Fold along the score lines and press with your bone folder. Insert the inner card. Make it slightly smaller than 5x 7 inches. Let's assemble the belly band. Fold the metallic cardstock and define the folds. Do the same with a pearlescent white strip. Attach the white strip with double-sided tape. Wrap the belly band around the card and close it at the front. Make sure it fits snugly around the holder. Time to add the final touch. I layer the floral shapes and place the vinyl monogram on top. I center it on the front of the card. I also added a white pearlescent flower underneath for a cleaner finish. I glue it from the inside, aligning it with the gold edge. And our invitation is ready. It's a beautiful, elegant gatefold card, perfect for weddings, anniversaries, quinceañeras, or sweet 16s. Your download includes this matching envelope for 5x7-inch invitations. You'll need 12x12-inch cardstock to make it. Thanks for watching. If you love making cards and paper crafts with your cutting machine, you're in the right place. Follow us on social media, and thanks so much for watching till the end.